Hello guys, the Automotive Reviews. Let's discover the Rimac automobile. Now capable of exceptional speed, swift and power beyond comprehension, Nevera is a force like no other. Designed, engineered, and handcrafted in Croatia. Defined by function, forged from a love of the automobile. What an awesome automobile this is. Take a look at the lines. Take a look at the way that it's maneuvering through the water. Take a look at it's fully electric, folks. Now, if you can remember, they had a contract with Porsche, and I think something went forward with Bugatti, and now you have this, the Nevera. Let's discover what the Nevera is all about. Now, the Nevera. Let's play the video, folks.
Something's coming. You can feel it. A storm. People here call it Nevera. It's relentless. Intimidating. But some, a few, are prepared to face it.
What an electrifying automobile. My God.
This storm is not for everyone. But what about you?
I'm in.
Are you ready to embrace it? Would you dare to drive it?
Hell yeah.
Dare to feel? Never.
Yes. Boy, that was epic, folks. Straight up epic. Let's go back and look at some more of this. Now, it's capable of exceptional speed, swift and powerful beyond comprehension. Like the storm system from which it takes its name, the Nevera is a force like no other. Designed and engineered and handcrafted in Croatia, defined by function and forged from the love of automobiles. Nevera was born to outperform. Take a look at this design. We can drag into the next pick. Look at that. This is the same spirit in the form of, if you can remember, the Porsche 918 Spider. It's sort of got that same vibe to it when I look at this. Except the exhaust is not, on the back trunk lid, as you would say. Take a look at that. What a significant automobile. All the design, and this represents the Nevera flag, and they said they can even put whatever flag you want, the colors here, to represent whatever you want. But this is just to remind them of Croatia. So the design has some, much like, remember when I first bought my Volvo and I saw the seats had the Swedish flag? I thought that was nice. And I thought it sort of gave the character to the automobile. And the Nevera, this gives character to the automobile as well. Them wheels are definitely nice. A name with Providence. This right here is the front passenger and the right passenger. The temperature controls. Everything, I don't know if you can remember, they had this in the Audi TT. Or also in the Audi R8, where you have the temperature here and you turn it, and it tells you the temperature. So what it does is eliminates buttons for the HVAC system. This is epic, folks. Nice screen display. You got the navigation and everything just right here in drift mode. 1 of 150. Name embroidered on seats. Design, engineered, and manufactured in Croatia. And I believe that is it. This is epic, folks. Unparalleled performance. Driven by such great technology, folks. You're talking about the power of 1,914 horsepower. Top speed of 258 miles per hour. 120 kilowatt hour battery. 60 in 1.85 seconds. It's like a roller coaster. I don't know if I remember going on a Cheetah roller coaster here in Tampa at Busch Garden, and I remember just accelerating and just being pinned to the back of my seat. The same feeling that I got in the Porsche Taycan. But this is just something beyond that. This is awesomeness, folks. I mean, take a look at that. You got the drift mode. You even got the head-up display for the passenger as well. Technology, exceptional engineering. Precision engineering that pushes performance to the edge of the possibilities. Technology that makes the Nevera. Electric is the beginning. Genesis. Pioneered by Croatia engineer and futurist Nikola Tesla, electric is one of the earliest and most effective forms of power. By specializing exclusively in electric performance, they're able to engineer and extract the most extreme performance from a hypercar. And this is awesome, folks. Take a look at the 4 motors. 4 motors, 4 wheels. Each of the Nevera wheels are independently driven by a dedicated electric motor, which channels torque accordingly to give unprecedented control and agility. RAWTV. Power where you need it instantly. Nevera calculates the amount of torque deployed to each wheel over 100 times a second to achieve the desired driving dynamic through Rimac Intelligent All-Wheel Torque Vectoring System, known as RAWTV. Stability, safety, efficiency, and ultimate agility when you need it most. Monocoque core. Solid structure beneath the skin lies a carbon fiber monocoque with bonded carbon roof, integrated structural battery pack, and rear carbon subframe. Designed and developed entirely in-house, Nevera structural core is lightweight, powerful, and exceptionally strong. And boy, is this epic. Unparalleled performance, real-time intelligence, exceptional driving experience. This is epic, and the design is just off the chain. Let's explore the design. Look at that. That is epic, folks. Now here comes the design. Now founded on the philosophy that form follows function, it shuns excess for lean engineering, letting performance figures speak for themselves, sporting the Rimac signature, the necktie, design sculpted into the flanks. The Croatia symbol is not only a visual design cue, but a key component of the Nevera aerodynamic profile. Shaped by airflow, Nevera form is dedicated by high performance function, and it looks epic, folks. Seamless line. Nevera balanced proportions challenge existing hypercar design, reference its unique motor distribution while the roofline joins the 2 peak precisely between both axes, wrapped around the car in one crisp seamless line that unites all surfaces. That is nice. Inspirational necktie. Since the 17th century, The necktie has been a symbol of Croatia's strength and identity. First featured on the Concept 1 hypercar, the tie now incorporated in the flanks of the Nevera is a signature characteristic of the Rimac design, a nod to the past with eyes on the future. Boy, that is sharp. What a blue. Aerodynamics. Force surfaces, underbody active aerodynamic components work in harmony to manipulate the airflow, giving the Nevera unmatched aero performance and enhanced efficiency. Wow, this is epic. Straight up epic, folks. Let's roll this baby around. Check out those aerodynamics. Wow. Nevera front bonnet flaps in the front middle channel bypasses the air to reduce drag and downforce in range mode. Range mode drag. Now, range mode, the Nevera minimizes drag is to maximize range by closing underbody and bonnet vents while retracting the air wing for more streamlined profile. Look at that. Let's do it in reverse too. Look at that. Wow. This is sharp. Now on the track, the need for maximum downforce and enhanced handling raises the rear wing and opens outlets to increase airflow and cooling. They need to bring this technology to the Corvette. Could you imagine that? High speed DRS, capable of 412 kilometers an hour. Nevera retracts its wings to reduce drag during straight line acceleration and open underbody vents to increase efficiency. That is sharp. Now, adapting according to selected drive modes, Nevera front splitter reduces drag in the range mode, but increases downforce in high performance mode while controlling the car. Check this out. Look at that. Air brake is deployed in under 0.2 seconds, minimizing drag to slow the car, increase stability while channeling air to cool the brake components. Acting as both stability aid at high speeds and powerful air brake, the rear wing adjusts according to the needs, switching from high performance, high downforce to full brake in 0.2 seconds. The air brake reduces 330 to 0 kilometers distance in 50 meters. And it looks epic. Fully flat floor works with active flaps in the rear valance to manipulate the airflow under the car. Look at that. Aiding efficiency while channeling cool air to the battery cooling system and brakes. And that interior is epic, folks. You guys, the automotive reviews. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And what a beautiful interior this is. Sport and comfort. This looks fantastic, folks. Look at that angle. The spacious cockpit. 2 occupants, of course. Full race regalia. And luggage. Nevera is as much capable as a Grand Tourer as a performance hypercar. Digital screens soak up the needless toggles and switches, leaving only essential tactile controls. Nice. Zay Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching.
Hey you guys, Zay Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, subscribe. And thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate you. Until then, we out.